presentation in Canva with VoiceOver. The first thing you want to do once you have created your Canva account, you're going to select presentations below the search bar. From here, you can select the dimension that you would like to use. Once you have done that, you're going to be redirected to a new page. Once on this new page, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. On the left-hand menu option, you have numerous templates you can choose from, or you can choose to create your presentation from scratch. I'll be using a template for this example. So I'm going to be selecting this template. After you have selected the template, you can quickly make changes by tapping on the section you'd like to edit. Whether you like to change the image, change the text, you can quickly do that. Once you have made your changes, now to add VoiceOver to your presentation, all you'll need to do is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on Present. After you have selected Present, you're going to tap on Present and Record. Then you're going to tap on Next, then tap on Go to Recording Studio. Once here, you can choose the microphone that you would like to use by tapping where you see Default. If you would like to record your face also, you could do that. And you're going to tap on Start Recording. After you have tapped on Start Recording, you can start recording your voiceover right here. So you can go through each slide and record your voiceover step by step, as you can see right here. Once you're finished recording your voiceover, you can tap on End Recording. After you have tapped on End Recording, you'll be provided with a few options. You can either choose to copy the link right here and you can share it with anyone that you would like to share your presentation with, or you can choose to download the video, or if you would like to only save at the moment the voiceover, you could do that by tapping on Save and Exit. After you have selected Save and Exit, you could go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Audio, and you're going to see your voice recording right here. Now you could add your voice recording to your presentation. So you can see my presentation right here. Now I'm going to be adding my voice recording. All I would need to do is simply pull and add it. After you have added your voice recording, from there you can quickly edit it by tapping on the three dots. From here you could cut it down, or you could choose to duplicate the track, or you can edit the audio effects or so on, or the volume, as you can see right there. Once you're finished and everything is to your liking, you can tap on Share in the top right hand corner, and from here you could choose to download it as an MP4. So you could select MP4 video and you could download it and share it, or if you would like to present it, you can do that. So you could tap on Public View Link and you could share this link and persons will be able to view your presentation. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.